Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, we are continuing our conversation on how business owners should prepare for tax season. So, previously, we talked about actually finding a tax preparer. Now, step two is actually scheduling a tax planning session. And I'll be honest with you, I never did schedule a tax planning session until I actually had my own business. And I asked someone, well, what is a tax planning session? And it's actually having a discussion with your tax preparer, whether that tax preparer is a CPA, it can be a lawyer, or just a tax enrolled agent. And throughout the year, I have discussions with my CPA just about what is going on with the business. And even personally, they actually do a calculation and give me an estimate on taxes. They give me tips on how to reduce the bill, and I have found them very, very beneficial. So, I want to give you a couple tips or questions you should ask during your tax planning session. So, number one, you want to ask your tax preparer, what is my estimated taxes? So, of course, once again, the key word is estimated. Things can change. However, they have software that can estimate your taxes. And in order for them to estimate your taxes, your book should be up to date because they're going to want to know, okay, what's your revenue, expenses, and then the calculated profit. So you want to make sure your books are updated so they can do and estimate it for you. Number two, you want to ask them, what can you do to reduce your tax bill? And this is not only relating to your business, but also the personal side. So during this tax planning session, inform them of things that are happening on the personal side. So maybe you purchased a house, maybe you sold a house, maybe you inherited a mutual fund. Mention all of those different things because you never know that may help your tax bill. Even paying medical bills, mileage, even mileage on the personal side, if you're volunteering. So you want to make sure that you give them the overall picture. So once again, ask them, what can I do to reduce my tax bill? And lastly, you want to ask them, are there any new rules that will affect my taxes? So of course, the IRS, the government is always updating the tax code. So you want to be aware of anything that may affect your taxes so you can plan ahead. So the tax planning session really is a way for you to be proactive instead of reactive. It gives you an idea of, okay, yes, I may get a refund or I may owe. And if you owe, at least you know the estimated so you can start saving. So it will not be a big surprise and say, oh man, I didn't realize I'll have to pay this amount of taxes. So definitely schedule your tax planning session before December. This way you can create a plan to reduce your tax bill or just continue on the same pace or get a plan together so you can actually pay your taxes on time. So once again, we are continuing our conversation. If you have any questions regarding on how to prepare for tax season, please let us know so we can answer those throughout the month. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and we'll see